Here's the thing about championship games. You've done it every day. So you know what I need? I need us.
The Hartford Hawks are going dancing.
This is going to be one that obviously I remember for a lifetime.
We going dancing!
Coach, you a champion, man!
For the first time ever, Texas wins the Big 12 championship game.
The Fever dancing on the floor.
7 seconds for the championship. The three in the corner.
Got it!
If we don't go to a Final Four, I'm quitting and I'm going back to Greece.
We started from the bottom, now we're #1 in the Big East. If my knees weren't hurting, I'd be out here doing a dance.